Is your 2021 Kia Forte key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead battery. The key fob uses a 3-volt CR2032 battery. Replacing it is the first and simplest fix. Open the fob using your owner's manual for specific instructions. Replace the battery with a new CR2032, ensuring correct polarity, and test. Reduced range under 10 feet or no response usually indicates battery failure. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, the next step is reprogramming. Additionally, extreme temperatures can degrade key fob performance, so keep that in mind. If the battery isn't the issue, the key fob may need reprogramming. For the 2021 Forte, try the ignition cycle method. Insert the key and turn it to the on position 10 times. If this doesn't work, you'll need a diagnostic tool like the Bosch KTS system or Kia's GDS Global Diagnostic System, often found at dealerships. A corroded or disconnected antenna coil can also cause problems. Moisture can cause corrosion, as seen in cases where rain entered the door. This requires scanning for BCM error codes like U001 using an OBD2 scanner. Replacing the antenna module might be necessary. If DIY attempts fail, consult a professional for reprogramming to avoid voiding your warranty.